Well, good morning, YouTube. All right, here it is, Sunday morning. It's officially day 3 of the STURGIS Motorcycle Rally. And we've got the list full already. Got a couple really nice bikes up there. And we're getting ready to start this one up again so that we can prove that it will never overheat. Actually, you know what? Just realized I gotta put gas in it. I never took it out to put gas in it last night. Yeah, I'm gonna put gas in it before I start it up. But anyways, check out this really cool motorcycle that came in. This guy's got like a 143 inch in this Milwaukee 8. Man, it's gotta be a strong motor. It sounds really good when it runs. Really good looking bike. Of course, he's a Johnny Cash fan apparently. So we installed the lug jugs on it for him because he was having some heat related issues with this big motor. It is definitely a sharp looking motorcycle. You know, and I'm gonna start it up and let it run for you. And I know that over the audio, it's never gonna sound as good as it does in real life, but we'll give it a try anyways. Well guys, it's a little bit after 11 o'clock this morning, and I've got some really awesome news. You know, I put you guys up to this challenge, and it's working. So when I woke up this morning, we had like 900 subscribers, which is just amazing, because when I went to bed last night, we were just shy of 800, I think, or something like that. That's a huge jump overnight. It really is. And I saw that Trucking with Schmidt had put out his video from when he was here the other day. I haven't had a chance to watch it yet, but I saw the notification pop up. That was at 7:45 this morning. Well, and just merely 3 hours later, we're at like 1,100 subscribers almost. Not quite, but we're close. I mean, we're over 1,000. That's just amazing that it happened so fast. And you know, I want to thank Kurt for that, and all the subscribers that have been doing their best to kind of share this and get it all out. I just think it's awesome. This is really cool. Anyway, we're working. I can't stay here talking for too awfully long. We got stuff to do, and I got customers to help. So we'll catch up with you in a little bit. Business. What are you guys doing here?
Well, this bike here, we did a set of KST handlebars, and we did a gloss black inner fairing. And we did some turn signals, custom dynamics turn signals.
This is Badass Specialties, and what we do is we've got a system where we cover all the screws on the engines of bikes with bullet casings. We've got revolver grips with matching axle covers, and you can see how that rolls out on the bike behind you. Here we are at the Black Hills Vendor Lot next to the Harley Davidson, so come and see me.
Definitely another beautiful day here at the Black Hills Vendor Park. Business has still been pretty good. As you can see, we got all 3 lifts are full. We have 2 bikes in line here waiting to go up, and I just had 2 gentlemen come up and gave them a quote for service, and they said they're going to get their bikes and bring them in, so we're waiting for those to get here.
beer garden.
All right, guys, it's like 10 minutes until 7. We normally close between 6 and 7. Decided to take a walk around the vendor park one last time, get a little bit more footage before we close down. I didn't even get a chance to start recording. Katie called me and said, hey, we got 2 more love jugs coming in and another oil change, so I need you back down here to help Chip do this. So didn't really want to work this late, but it's what we're here for. This is what we do, so we're gonna get it done. So there they are, 3 of them just sitting there waiting for us. So put the camera down, get to work. All right, guys, as you can see, it's getting dark now. It is now like 8:39 at night, 20 till 9. You know, I don't like working this late, but we got those 3 bikes came in, and you know, it's just what we do, so we did them. And while we were doing them, I don't know if you could catch it in the time lapse or not, but we even had another one came in. So there was actually another 4 motorcycles that we serviced. But you know what? It made a nice bump in the sales late in the day. Yeah, I wish the business would have came when we had some dead time earlier, but again, this is what we do. This is why we're here. So we don't just go, oh, sorry, we're closed. We're here to work. We do what we gotta do. All right, guys, so as you can see, the curtains are all still open and we still got some tools to put away. So it's time to go ahead and close everything down and call it the night. All right, everybody. You know, by the time I get everything closed down, we went over to the truck stop and took showers. It's 11 o'clock at night now. So we're gonna shut this video down. I hope you liked the video. Apparently, people are liking them. Has anyone taken notice to the subscriber count? You know, I put out there for a 1,500 subscriber challenge. I'll be honest, I didn't think we'd get that high. I thought we'd get 1,000, maybe 1,100. But no, you guys really surprised me. And as of right now, we are at almost 1,800 subscribers. We're just barely shy of that. And I just think that's amazing that in a matter of days, or almost like 36 hours, literally doubled, tripled. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know how many. I'm so tired I can't do the math right now. So I'm gonna go inside and go to bed, but I just want to thank everybody. You know what? I just lied to you. I'm not gonna go inside and go to bed. I gotta go inside and edit this video before I can go to bed. Anyway, but I still want to just thank everybody that's been subscribing and viewing. The video I put out this morning from yesterday's got almost 20,000 views. That's unheard of for my channel, but I am so appreciative. I just wanted everybody to know how thankful I am to you guys. You guys are just freaking awesome. So guys, until the next time I see you, keep those engines running.